Doesn't want to do it.
You're scared, Peanut.
She's gonna get out of her thing. You sit. Can you sit? Good girl. Yeah, I'll protect you. I'll protect you. I'll protect you.
Yeah, I don't
No,
put
you wait.
on her tummy. You hear me?
Yeah.
That was
Hey,
funny.
you wait. I'm up.
That's good.
Baby, you gonna fly?
We're ordering pizza.
No, just go on this one.
Ethan can serve. Oh, nice here, oh.
He's very good at volleyball.
Basketball? Ano to dito, Daddy? Eh, bakit doon walang ring?
Oo, rin. Bago yung pinalitan.
Pinalitan?
Nasira siya.
Mm.
Lagay mo.
Okay yung basketball, nila, Daddy? Bakit ganito?
Mat yan.
Oh, basketball, no. Nice ang basketball court nila, guys.
You stuck, babe.
Whatever.
Look at that
Alright.
Ethan.
You guys serve first.
Oh, he already served.
No,
that was practice.
No, practice. Right. Gotta go.
Serve the person, the place that there's no other there.
Oh, nice. Serve it.
Out.
We need to practice to serve while waiting ate.
You.
Oh, nope.
That's good.
Good.
Oh, out! Out.
Okay, our serve.
1 point.
No, you can't. You don't get points unless you serve.
No, that's technically a
Oh, different.
With your service.
Then you roll every time you made a mistake.
Oh, okay.
It's point.
It's a point to the opponent.
Long time ago, that's the way.
Okay, cool. So we have one.
1-0.
We're going to 11.
We go to 21.
11. Let's go 11.
11.
11. Yeah. Are you serious?
Nick, they take seriously. Wow, good job.
1-all.
Yeah.
You got lucky.
Oh, good.
You have to rotate.
Okay, our turn. 2-1.
2-1.
Nick, you're not rotating.
Oh, we gotta switch every time? Yeah, don't worry about it. Ethan, we're not doing all the special rules.
Alright. Go.
That's your lucky. You have to play back row.
It's easier to just start inside.
Ethan, if you do this, you should have side by side because it's different.
This is live.
Okay, 3.
What's the score?
3-1.
3-1?
Yeah. Oh, 2-3. My bad.
5. Play side by side.
Yeah, it's easier.
This is a big space.
Yeah. You ready? I have this hole here.
Wow, ate, go. Nick. Oh. 2-all.
Yeah, try. That's what I was trying to do.
That's fine.
So the score is 2-2.
Oh, you still.
No, 2-2.
No, 3-3. 3-3.
3-3. Okay.
And we got this stupid hole.
Why did you do that?
Go, Ethan, go.
Hold my ankle here. Oh, I got it. Oh!
4-3.
Side.
Yeah, we'll switch.
4-3.
I know, they're terrible. Oh,
Oh shoot. Oh,
oh, get out.
5-3.
I shouldn't have touched that. I would have gone out.
yeah.
That's 4-3.
You guys are in a real game, but me and Ate are gonna practice.
What?
You have to reserve because I wanted to do this. That's why.
I'm confused.
We are gonna play a game.
We're playing a game right now.
No, you're playing a game. Me and Ate want to practice hitting.
But we want to play it. We're here to play a game.
That's fine.
Game first.
That's good game.
Let's see the game for defense.
5-3, go.
Alright.
You said you have to do hard. Oh.
Ah! 5-4.
My side?
Yeah, that's it.
When are we ending?
You're good. Good. Oh, oh.
You, Ate!
Anything?
Ma, can you get that?
No, you go.
Yeah, what?
Can me and my sister practice hitting now? We can do it in the pocket.
It's fine. You just do whatever
Oh,
you
you
want.
practice you one. Go.
Ate, can you set it?
You want to stick with the... You want to...
Let them play.
Yeah, you just do it. Yeah,
Go.
fine. We're
You
good.
have to pick it up.
Oh, that's fine.
It's not.
Ate, malapit ka lang magpalayo.
Well, Ethan went so far away. No.
No, come in. That in the middle. That's good. That's good. Ethan, don't just hit practice jump una. I-timing mo. Don't hit yet. Malayo masyado, malayo ate. Maybe, ate. Ate. Malayo yan,
That's
malayo.
not-
Hindi kaya niya.
It's supposed to go over here very far away.
Ate.
You know you're gonna take the ball.
Doon kay Tan,
right?
doon kay Tan. Dito banda i-drop mo ang bola. Ito kaya niya buti.
You know, in real game, you don't really take where the ball.
Yeah, I know, but that's good. That's good. Practice pa. You have. He's not professional yet.
I'm too early. Ate, can you set me quicker?
What?
Free volleyball.
You know
You
that's
got
not.
basketball. There's an obstacle course over there.
Let's play mosquitoes.
Yeah.